Hey everyone, Ian here, Manderscheid Media. Well, we got something special here. This car is done. Now, it's been done for a little bit, but this was at Radical Restorations, and it is a real 1970 Coronet RT convertible with none other than 446 pack 4-speed, one of 16 ever made. Now, when you look at the colors, of course, it's FC7, plum crazy purple. We have white interior, pistol grip sticking out the floor. How can we not just stand back and just stand in awe looking at perfection? Bob has again outdone himself. Look at that shifter. By far the coolest shifter on the planet. It may not be the most efficient, but it is the coolest. If you've never touched one, you don't even know what you're talking about. Don't even know what I mean. It's unreal. So this car, I seen it from the beginning. It needed some definite repair, and Bob and Isaiah, they got it licked up here, and it looks amazing. So yeah, I'm super thankful. The owners here let me do this video. It's at MOPAR Mania, so it's a little while ago. It's the first time I've seen it in person. I've seen it completed in pictures, but this is cool. So Joe got it from the son of the, I'm going to say second owner. The person who had it was about a year old. And then Joe got it from the son a while back. And then, yeah, Radical did the full restoration in this thing. Numbers matching. Yeah, I was fortunate enough. I got to do the transmission and differential in this car. It's a TAC car, an N85 TAC. And then with being a Coronet RT, we got the wood grain. Oh, man. I don't know what else to tell you. I love it. Just sit back and enjoy and look at the deep luster of that FC7. Oh, man. Fresh air hood, so Ram Charger hood. Again, just wicked. Wicked. Love it. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.